got my eyebrows done and she took them all off. So we're gonna work with the fresh brows. She squeaky. This is what I use. You do not have to use this. You can use, once this runs out, I'm getting the NYX because it's the same thing. I just have a lot in mine. So I have a lot to go. I've had it over a year or two. Honest, okay, like a year. It's been like a year, I think. But pencil works just as fine. You do not need to get this because everybody say get it. You don't have to get it. Okay, so you want to brush your eyebrows up. I literally just got them done. I wasn't supposed to. Well, I didn't intend on going, but I dropped my sister off, so I end up getting them done. Honestly, with the dip brow, if you put like, make it kind of damp, I like it better that way because when it's dry, it's not really good. So I got some water over here. I'm just gonna put a teeny bit, like just a drop of water in here so I can get it damp. Nobody ever does this, but I do it. Oh, I put too much water. Okay, I'm not pouring this back in this cup, this water bottle. But it can't sit in here. Okay, so now that it's kind of damp, you see, excuse my nails, they're ugly. I have the most ugliest nail beds. I just lined the bottom part. I started right here. And then when you get to the front, you really go gentle, like so gentle, like you barely touching it. And you brush between. When you get in the middle, you brush between. I have no hair no more. She took all my eyebrow off. Like, my eyebrow's gone. That don't make no sense. Y'all see that? My eyebrow hair is so long and curly. And I gotta wait for them to grow out again. So next, I got my angle brush. This is Morphe M432. It's an angle brush. Looks like deal. And my concealer, this is in pure beige, and I'm going to do my under eye. I'm not going to conceal the top part. I'm just going to do the bottom to clean it up and prepare for my lid. But the colors I'm going to put on my lid. So I'm going to put some right here so I can make it clean and even when I put it on my when I clean my eyebrow up. But I used to just, you know, go like this, but that's using too much, honey, way too much. And you just take your angle brush and you take it, I put enough right here, and you just go like this. You get it even and clean on both sides like this. Can you see? Can you see? It's clean. It's not like a lot. It's not a lot. And you just start concealing the brows. To use this brush here, Real Techniques sculpting brush. these two. I'm mixing these two, starting with that one, and then I blend this one as well. Okay, so after I did that on both lids, I'm taking Love Letter, which is this one on top right here. Just dab. Like, this thing is so pigmented, you just need one little and shake that off, and then you just literally gonna put it on top of where we already put everything else at, mainly focusing on the edge, or we're gonna conceal the lid. Angle brush. I'm using the same brush I used to do my eyebrows with. I'm gonna use this brush to conceal my lid for the shadow so it can pop. I'm gonna put it right back right here on my hand. Oh, that's a lot, baby. I don't need all that. Hold up. Alright, and I'm literally tapping. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Not too much. Okay. And you're going to see, you see where your eyelid, like you see that crease right there where my eyelid is at. I'm going to conceal starting there, going down, and I'm going to make it as straight as possible, okay? And I'm going to stop like right here. Don't Have a Number is from Beige Cosmetics. It's a whole collection that came with this. So what I'm going to do is go into the color. This one right here. It's called Lounge in the Urban Decay Shadow Box. This one here. I got it last year on my birthday. The year before last, my birthday. Literally tapping it. It's pigmented too. Just tap it right here a couple times. Get the excess off, and you're going to place it right on your lid on top of the concealer. You see, so it don't look like that. Take my finger. Shade, you know how you use like that orange color. That don't really work for me. I don't know why. I'm not doing it right, but if I use a darker shade and put it on my dark marks, it covers them up under my foundation. I got this from watching this makeup artist I follow. I really like her. Her name's Makeup by Dorian. She has oily skin. I have oily skin, and her skin is like flawless, and mine is, we working on it. But it's supposed to help with like your like control the oils and stuff. I'm gonna put my eyelashes on while this dries. concealer a darker shade because I was covering my dark marks. Can you see them? No, you cannot. Alright, so I used the black liner already. Now I'm going to do the purple color first. And I'm going to literally like on my eyeline. Okay, my eyes worries. But yeah, so there's the eyelid makeup. Now I gotta do these lips. Don't know where that color I had on yesterday is at, but I'm gonna find it. Okay, this is the look. I don't know what to call it. I don't know what to call this. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Mind your business and drink your water, baby. Thanks for watching, y'all. Let me know what you think about this look. Comment below in the comment section. It is open. I want to hear what y'all think. What do you guys like to see? What do you want to see? Let me know. I give to you, okay? Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, baby. Watch the videos all the way through. Don't be skipping through my videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this look for real. I think I really like this. Like, I really like this YouTube stuff. Like, this is cool. Like, it's lit. Now I gotta edit.